The ZANU-PF Politburo has accorded late former Vice President Pekelezela Mpoko national hero status. Sanapinda mashoko atikona kuti pasocial media ndonyaya iri kungotaurwa vanhu vachitaura pamusoro this about the late Vice President vaPekelezela Mpoko ari kunzi nevanhu aiwa ndiye akanga ari the legitimate president wenyika yeZimbabwe. Samira mashoko amudanyurwa panapa nobva subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Timira mpindula amudanyura achiti Mpoko was Zimbabwe's co-vice president from June 2014 to November 2017 when the then president Robert Mugabe was overthrown by the military in a coup that installed incumbent President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Mpoko died aged 84 on Friday afternoon after a long illness. He had been battling an undisclosed illness and died while undergoing treatment in India. His wife, Laurinda, was by his side, reported Zimlai. Mpoko was arrested in 1963 for political violence after confronting a Rhodesian police officer who had unleashed a dog on him and fellow youths. He was sentenced to 3 years in jail and sent to Kama prison. He was a delegate to the 1963 Court Comfort Farm People's Caretaker Council Congress, where a special affairs department was created to oversee the external wing of ZAPU that would direct the armed struggle. Mpoko was selected by ZAPU leader Joshua Nkomo to undergo military training under the Special Affairs Program alongside Albert Lele, Walter Mbambo and the same Dumaza Mpofu. In April 1964, he left Zimbabwe and trained in the Soviet Union from May 1964 to February 1965. Ndio a brief history iri kupanwa kumana aiwa about mukumana aiwa Mpoko wamuri kuziva kuti panguva ino aiwa ava deceased vachiona kuti aiwa aitwa a national hero figure. Todze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mabvina comment section medu, musano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.